Bonjour, good morning everyone, et bienvenue dans la classe, and welcome to this class. This being your first class in 12th standard, we will be doing today the lesson 1, Victoire d'équipe partie 1 et partie 2. So we'll be doing lesson 1 and lesson 2 today, Victoire d'équipe. The reason being, it's a continuation of the same story, okay? So what I'm going to do is, first we're going to read the lesson, explain and understand it, and then the second half we're going to be doing the prose, the lexicon, the question answers. Okay, so that's how we're going to do this class into two parts. Now, to start with, before I start the class or start the teaching, I want to first of all give you your portion. Okay, so for the first term exam, you will have the first 5 lesson. Okay, if you see that clearly in front of you in the table of contents, you have Victoire de équipe as lesson 1 and lesson 2 or do lesson 2. These are your first 2 lessons. This will be for your first midterm, lesson 1 and lesson 2, along with poem 1 Amitié. Then for your first term exam, you will have lesson 3, lesson 4 and lesson 5, along with poem 2 Voix secrète. So this is your portion for the first term exam. Lesson 1, lesson 2 and poem 1 for first midterm. And for the first term, you'll have lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and poem 1, poem 2. And then for your later half or the later semester and end exam, not semester end exam, sorry, your December exam, you will have lessons 6 to 10 along with poem 3 and 4. And then for your prelims, you will have your this entire syllabus, prelims and your board exams. Okay, but for your third exam, you will not be having the first terms portion. And this is generally speaking, this is the general rule, but in case it changes this year or any changes are made, I will bring it to your notice. Okay, so for now, please mark your syllabus, keep a pencil in hand, and as we start the lesson, I want you to keep in mind what we are doing today. Okay, so I just want you to keep a pencil in hand and mark the words that you're learning. Okay, so don't take any word for granted. Please make notes of everything that I'll be teaching you today. So today let us start with the first lesson, lesson 1, Victoire d'équipe. You can keep a notebook and a pen with you to write all the new words that you learn and also to make notes and references. Okay, as I tell you, and also keep a pencil in hand to write meanings. Now for those of you who do not have a textbook, you can follow from the screen, but for those who have a textbook, please keep a textbook in hand. Okay, so lesson 1, depuis 3 mois déjà, since 3 months already, Avi n'était plus qu'un corps. Avi is nothing more than a body, sans mouvement, without movement. Et Jean and John, qui viennent le voir tous les jours, who comes to see him every day, est triste de trouver, is sad, est triste is sad, de trouver is to find, son ami, his friend, sans force, without energy, et sans courage, and without courage, face à la maladie, in the face of this sickness. Okay, so I'll take little pauses in between like this and give you some time to write the meanings. Okay, please write every meaning there. Anything that you do not understand, please rewind back and go back and watch the video once again, because I will be giving you every word. Okay, so that's why. And in case I miss out on anything or any word, please ask me in WhatsApp or maybe in the comment section. Okay, so le médecin l'a pourtant dit et répété. Le médecin l'a pourtant dit et répété. The doctor had time and again said and repeated, l'attaque de polio d'Ave n'a pas été très forte. That the attack of polio on Havi was not very strong. N'a pas été très fort is not very strong. Très fort is very strong. Okay, so il saura remarcher. He will have to relearn to walk. Saura means will have to Remarcher is relearn to walk. Un jour, one day. So he will have to relearn to walk one day. Un jour. Mais à condition de, but on the condition that le vouloir vraiment, that he wants it really or he truly wants it. Le vouloir vraiment, that he truly wants it. Il doit reprendre tous les mouvements. He must relearn all the movements. He must relearn all the movements. Les plus simples d'abord, puis les plus difficiles. So the most simple first, or the more easier ones first, and then the more difficult ones. He'll have to learn all the movements, the more easier ones first, and then the difficult ones as well. Okay. Then, mais Avi n'y croit pas, but Avi could not believe this. Okay, but Avi just could not believe the fact that he could be able to walk once again. He had just taken himself that once he's handicapped for life. So that's what he was believing. He couldn't believe that he could be able to walk. He was basically not convinced. Okay, so il est convaincu que sa maladie l'a rendu infirme pour la vie. So il est convaincu is he was convinced que that sa maladie, his sickness, l'a rendu, had made him infirme. Infirme is handicap, okay, or sans mouvement, like without any movement. Pour la vie, for life. So he was convinced now that his sickness had made him handicapped for life, pour la vie, et qu'il n'y a plus rien à faire, and that there was nothing more to do. Ni a plus rien is nothing. It's in simple words, just nothing. À faire, to do. Okay. Then, il a perdu l'espoir. He had lost the hope or lost all hope. Il a perdu l'espoir. He lost all hope. Okay. Ses parents ont essayé de le motiver. His parents tried to motivate him. Mais en vain, but in vain. Ils espèrent que Jean, they hoped that John, that is his friend, saura convaincre le fille. They hoped that John will probably convince their son. Okay, so just to give you a little brief about this lesson, this is basically a lesson between two friends, John and Avi. Okay, Avi has recently been diagnosed with a little bit of with little bit of polio. Okay, it's not a complete polio; it's just a little bit of polio. Little bit of polio in the sense, mild polio attack. Okay, so when this happens, he's confined to the bed and said that he is not. It's not going to be possible for him to walk unless uh, he relearns all the movements once again. Okay, so now he takes this as a permanent setback in his life. Avi sits back and thinks that he's never going to improve once again. But then comes his friend John, who comes and tries to convince him from time to time, but Avi doesn't listen. One fine day, John takes courage and explains to him, or tries to convince him to come out of this to come out of his difficulty. And that's when they both realize they both had difficulties, or they both were handicapped in some way or the other. Like, for example, Avi had a physical handicap situation, whereas John had a intellectual handicap situation, where what I mean by that is John had a difficulty with maths. So that was his state of handicap. Okay, so when we say that both had their share of difficulties, this is what I mean, that both had their share of difficulty. That's what I mean. So coming back to the story, then they decide to make a bet one day. Okay, and they both start to work on themselves. They start to improve themselves, and as they see improvement, they after all the bet and all, they come back together, and then there is great joy amongst them, because they're just happy to see each of them really victorious and triumphant in what they do. And this is why the story is called Victoire d'équipe, which means team spirit. Okay, team spirit, or in literal terms it means team victory. Okay, so victoire d'équipe, in other words, in simple words, it means team spirit. Okay, and in what do you want to call that, you if you want to say literal words, in literal meaning it means team victory. Okay, so uh, coming back to the story, then his parents try to motivate Avi, but all in vain, until one fine day they hope that John, his friend, would convince their son. Okay, then mais dans les moments terribles, but in terrible moments, mais dans les moments terribles où Avi crie sa peine, where Avi cried his pain à son ami, to his friend, Jean ne sait comment les dire. John ne sait pas, did not know comment les dire. Comment les dire, how to help, or how to help him. Okay, il n'ose pas lui parler. He did not know how to talk to him. Il n'ose pas lui parler. Oser comes from the verb, as you see here at the back, it's there here. Oser means avoir le courage. Okay, so he did not have the courage to help him. Okay, so there, il n'ose pas le courage. Sorry, il n'ose pas il n'ose pas lui parler. So he did not have the courage to talk to him. Lui parler, to talk to him. Okay, pourtant, okay, however, un jour d'été, one certain summer day, or one fine summer day, un jour d'été, il prend son courage à deux mains. Please remember this line, mark it. Okay, and you will really need this in the future, so we need to come back for references on this line. Okay, so please mark this and keep it. Il prend son courage à deux mains. He took courage. Okay, it just simply means he took courage. Avais-tu n'as pas une envie de remuer? Tu n'as pas envie? Do you not have the urge de remuer, to move once again? Par un temps pareil. Okay, like once again. Par un temps pareil means once again. Okay, do you not have the desire or the urge to walk once again? He asked him. Avant tu étais fou du sport. Once upon a time, or before, he says, you were mad for sports, or mad for games to play. But now he says, et tu te battais pour gagner. Et tu te battais pour gagner à tout prix. And you te battais pour gagner. You used to fight yourself to win at all cost. Te battais pour gagner, in order to win, à tout prix. Gagner means to win. Okay, à tout prix is at all cost, or at all price. Pourquoi as-tu changé? Why did you change? Si tu faisais les mêmes efforts, if you put the same efforts, maintenant, now, tu pourrais sortir de ta maladie. You can come out of your sickness. J'en suis sûr. I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. Si tu étais à ma place, now Avi is replying, okay? Si tu étais à ma place, if you were in my place, tu ne parlerais pas comme ça. You would not speak like that. Tu ne parlerais comme ça. Lui répond Avi. So this was a reply of Avi, okay? Then, rien n'est impossible. Rien n'est impossible. Nothing is impossible. Dit Jean. Quand on veut, on peut. When one wants, one can. Quand on veut, on peut. When one wants, one can. Please write the meanings. When one wants, one can. Si c'est vrai, if that's true, he says, Avi is saying, okay, if that's true, pourquoi es-tu toujours aussi mauvais en mathématiques? Pourquoi es-tu, why are you, toujours aussi, always, also bad in maths, aussi ou mauvais, also bad in maths, or in mathematiques? Demande Avi en colère, asked Avi in anger. Okay, en colère is in anger. Okay, ma foi, my time or my turn. Tu as peut-être bien raison. Ma foi, as you see at the back, not literally, it doesn't mean exactly my time, but for my part, I guess. Ma foi, where is that? Here. It means well. Okay, in English, it's the English word for well. Ma foi, well. Okay, so well, you are peut-être bien raison. You are perfect right, or you have you're probably right about what you're saying. Is saying well, you're probably right. Dit Jean après quelques secondes, said John after some time, some seconds, some time. Okay, c'est vrai que it is true that je n'ai jamais vraiment voulu. C'est vrai que it is true that je n'ai jamais vraiment, we never wanted, I never wanted truly, or I never really wanted. I never really wanted. Never is ne jamais is never. Vraiment is really. Voulu is wanted. Me battre pour devenir, to beat myself. Me battre to beat myself. Pour devenir, in order to become. Melia math, in order to become the best in maths. Alors, then, faisons un pari, make a bet. Faisons un pari, make a bet. Moi, je m'améliore en maths. Me, I will improve in maths. Et toi, and you, tu reprendre à marcher. You relearn to walk. Je suis curieux de savoir qui réussira le premier. So I am curious, he says, je suis curieux, I am curious de savoir, in order to know who will become first or who will succeed first. Okay, qui réussira, who will succeed, le premier, who will succeed first. Okay, then bet accepted and they say d'accord. Okay, so they both accept the bet and they say d'accord, like that's fine or very well. Then pari tenu, he says bet taken. Répond avi says, okay, still bet taken, he says. Okay, then convaincre que Jean qui déteste les maths, so convinced now that he's convinced that John he detests la math, who hates maths, ne pourrait pas faire the progress. So ne pourrait pas is will not be able to make progress. Now Avi is convinced that John who hates maths will not be able to make progress. But John a lui-même espère que, and John himself had similar hope that Harvey va enfin reprendre courage. So John had similar hope that finally Harvey will learn to take courage and walk. Okay, va enfin courage is va enfin reprendre is your futur proche va reprendre, that is aller plus infinitive. Enfant comes in the middle of it because they are connectives. Okay, so va enfant, finally we'll learn. Okay, finally we'll learn or we'll have courage. Now for your vocabulary. Okay, oser means avoir le courage or to take courage. L'enfant is handicap or handicapé, sans mouvement. Améliorer is rendre meilleur, to be the best. Améliorer is to be the best. Remuer, which means bouger or changer de place. Le pari, the bet. Se battre, lutter. Convaincre, amener quelqu'un à rencontrer la vérité d'un fait. Okay, so se battre means to beat or to fight. Okay, to fight something or to fight a situation. Okay, pari, as you know in English, it's already given that it means a bet. Convaincre means to be convinced, but here the meaning says amener quelqu'un à reconnaître la vérité d'un fait. So to take something to know or to relearn the truth of a matter. Basically, to have to take something into facts, to learn the truth of a matter. That is to be, then it is to be convinced. Then you have parre. Parre means semblable, which is similar in meaning. Okay, the meaning is similar. Okay, then you have expression. Let's come down to the expression section. Expression. Sans force. Okay, sans force is faible, weak. Sans courage is timide. Okay, sans courage is timide. Crier la plainte. Okay, to cry la peine. Sorry, crier la peine, to cry one's pain. which means exprimer or exprimer la douleur, okay. Avoir envie de, which means to have desire, okay, désirer, see. Être fou de, être passionné pour, okay, to be passionate about something. Faire un pari, to make a bet. Okay, then you have ne plus, ne plus que, and je, ne jamais. Okay, these are all negations. No more, not much, not more than, never. Okay, prendre son courage à deux mains. This means to take courage, okay, or to pluck up courage, as the word, as the dictionary says. Sorry, the textbook says, okay. And last you have ma foi, which means well. Okay, so then you have your set of questions. Quelle maladie a attrapé Ave? By the way, these questions I will give you the answers to these questions later. Okay, so so we'll skip this part. You have, I think, you have 8 questions. Those of you who wish to write it from the digest can go ahead and do that. I will be giving you the question and answers myself personally, probably in PDF format. Along with the activity for the day, okay, so that will come in later in the second half. Okay, so this being said and done, let's move to the next lesson. Lesson 2, victoire d'équipe partie 2. So team spirit or team victory, basically team spirit part 2. So lesson 2, in this lesson we will find out how they both worked on each other and how they made progress and what was the progress they made, because this lesson is more about how they come out of the situation or how they fight that situation, a problem, and they come out of it. Okay, so les mois se suivant, this months or the months that followed. Se suivant is followed, okay, to follow. Se suivant means to follow. Please write the meaning. Les mois se suivant, the months followed. Avi and Jean continuaient à se voir. So Avi and John continued to see themselves, à se voir, mais restant muets, but remaining mute or quiet. Okay, mais restant muets, but remaining quiet, sur le progrès respectif. Okay, about but remaining mute or quiet about their respective progress. Chacun se demande si l'autre se suivant de ce quelqu'un a promis. Chacun se demande, each one asks themselves, si l'autre, if the other, se souvient, yeah, each one asks themselves if the other was following up or was into the was keeping up to the promise. Okay, de ce quelqu'un a promis, at that is if they were keeping up to or were following up on their promise, ce qu'il a promis, that is what they had promised. Okay, at s'il a fait, and if he was making the progrès ou pas, or whether he was making the progress or not. Ou pas is or not. Okay, fait de progrès ou pas. S'il a fait de progrès ou pas. So if he was making the progress or not. So they were checking on themselves if they were making if they were keeping up to the promise or and if they were making progress or not. Avi ne sait pas que son ami Jean. Avi ne sait pas. Avi did not know that que son ami Jean, that his son John, que son ami Jean, that his friend John, yes, his son, sorry, that his friend John, ne perd plus, did not lose any son temps, any of his time, okay, en classe de math. So Avi for his part didn't know that John was not wasting any of his time in the maths class, qu'il fait ses devoirs avec application. So he was doing his homework with application of his mind. Okay, so with complete attention. Qu'il fait, that he was doing ses devoirs, his homework, avec application, with application or with complete attention. Okay, et redemande même des explications à son professeur, and also redemande même means also asking the same or rechecking the same from his professor. There's explication, so he was re-asking or rechecking the same explanations from his professor, à son professeur. À son professeur, Tout surpris, all surprised de cette évolution surpris, all surprised about this surprise evolution, et Jean de son côté, and John for his part, ne sait pas que Kaveh n'existe. Okay, so John does not know so John for his side does not know that Avi is not exercising. Quand il est seul, when he is alone or by himself, à reprendre Patimo. Okay, so when he's all alone by himself, à reprendre Patimo is he's trying to relearn patiently, mais obstinement. Okay, he's trying to learn patiently, but obstinement is the meaning of obstinement is okay, it's not given here in your text. I'll tell you what the meaning is. Okay, patiently but steadily. Is it mentioned there? No, it's not clear there. Okay, doesn't matter. But patiently but steadily. Okay, mais obstinément. Okay, obstinément. So il est seul. He's alone. À reprendre in order to learn. Patiment, patiently. Mais obstinément, but obstinément is but persistently. Okay, or carefully. Yeah, from time to time. Les mouvements, okay, consistently or persistently, any one of these words you can use there. Okay, les mouvements, the movements de la marche, of walking. L'un et l'autre, the one and the other, both of them, se cachant, hid themselves or hide, or hide or put themselves away. Se cachant, hide themselves. Depuis plusieurs mois, for a long time, for many months. Leur effort, their efforts, so they heed their efforts from each other, the one and the other, so both of them, they heed their efforts from each other for many months. Okay, et puis, and then un beau jour, one good day, Jean ouvre la porte de la chambre. John opened the door of his bedroom. Okay, the Avi, the door of bedroom of Avi. Okay, déclare toute fière, and declared or announced very proudly. Et déclare toute fière. Voilà, je suis second en maths avec 17 sur 20. So he says, voila, here you go, there you go. Okay, either one, you can take it that way. Either you can take it as, I think it's there you go. Okay, or there you are. Je suis second, I am second in maths. Okay, he says I am second in maths avec 17 with 17 sur 20 on 20, with 17 on 20. Pas mal, not bad. Pas mal, not bad. Okay, répond Ave, replies Ave. Okay, mais attends, but listen, et Jean voit alors, Ave prendre ses béquilles. And John voit alors, goes to see then, Ave prend son béquille. Ave picks up his, prends son béquille, picks up his crutches. Béquille is crutches. Okay, please write there. Béquille is crutches. Okay, se lever lentement, he gets up slowly or rises up slowly out of his chair. Okay, lentement, avec pain, with pain. Okay, avec pain, with pain. Puis, then, commencer à marcher, and then starts to walk. Okay, so then he starts to walk. Jean n'y croit pas ses yeux. So John doesn't believe his eyes, he cannot believe his eyes. Okay, why? Because Avi started to walk. Il est ravi, he is thrilled. Ravi is thrilled. Okay, so he's very happy or thrilled. Okay, regarde, he says. Okay, look, lui dit Avi to him. Avi said to him. Okay, mais reste où tu es, but remain where you are. So Avi says to John, look or watch me. Okay, mais reste où tu es, but remain where you are. Je vais venir jusqu'à toi. I will come just right to you or right up to you. Okay, I will come straight up to you or right up to you. Plusieurs fois, for many times, je n'ai envie d'aider son ami. So for many times or at many instances, John had tried to Anvi thus had a wish or a desire to help his friend. That is while he was trying to make an attempt to walk. The Anvi there had tried to help son ami, his friend, qui avance, who was advancing, tant bien que mal. So he was advancing close to him. Okay, tant bien que mal say, which means sans mal, which means not quite badly. Sorry, quite badly. So Tan Piankamal is he at many instances John tried to help Avi, his friend who was advancing Kiamos Tan Piankamal quite badly in a bad quite with a lot of difficulty towards him. Okay, parfois prêt à tomber, sometimes ready to fall. Parfois prêt à tomber. Prêt means to be ready. À tomber is to fall. So parfois prêt à tomber, sometimes ready to fall. Mais son regard ne quitte pas celui d'Ave. But his gaze, his attention, or his attention, yeah, or his gaze, okay. Mais son regard, but his attention, ne quitte pas celui, did not leave that of, celui that of, okay. Ne quitte pas did not quit or did not leave celui the Ave, that of Havi. Il ne veut pas voir. He did not have. Il ne veut pas avoir. He did not want to have. Sorry, he did not want to have. L'air de la plaindre. He did not want to have the feeling of complaining. Okay, or a feeling of complacency in the sense of he did not want to have a feeling of being set back or laid back, or what do you call that, basically any form of, he did not want to have any form of failure at this point. Okay, so ave avance, so havi or ave advanced. Okay, avance, c'est ça qui compte, it is that which counts, it is that which counts, c'est ce qui compte. Okay, then Avi doesn't want to waste any waste this attempt, okay, or this chance, so he walks straight, he makes. Okay, then you have au bout d'un long effort. Okay, at the end of a lot of effort, il se laisse tombe, he let himself fall, il se laisse tombe, he let himself fall, épuisé, tired, épuisé, tired, mais fier, but proud. Not the sense of that kind of pride, but in a sense of great achievement. Sorry, dans les bras de Jean, in the arms of John. Il a laissé tomber, il a laissé tombe, he left to fall or allowed to fall, ses béquilles, his crutches. So he allowed his crutches to fall dans un mouvement, in a movement of victory, the victoire. Et Jean le reçoit, and John received him. John received Avi, okay, avec une joie sans fond. So with a joy, avec un joy sans fond is with an endless joy. Évidemment, evidently, mes progrès ne sont pas aussi extraordinaires. So he says, evidently my progress ne sont pas aussi extraordinaire, was not also extraordinary que les tiens, than yours, said Havi. Dit Ave. Okay, dit Ave, said Havi. Oh que si, is that so? Ils le sont bien plus. Ils le sont bien plus. It's a lot in itself, he says. Lui répond Jean. John replied to him, okay? Et passant ses bras autour de son ami, and passing his arms all around his arms around his friend, il le porte, he carried him, or took him towards vers le fauteuil. Where is towards, okay. Port is comes from the verb porter, to carry. Okay, so he carried vers le fauteuil, so towards the chair. Fauteuil is your armchair, okay. Et l'aide à s'installer, and helped him to set himself up, comfortablement, comfortably, okay. Belle victoire d'équipe, good teamwork, okay. N'est-ce pas, isn't it? N'est-ce pas, isn't it? Dit-il en riant. said him in laughter, okay, in a joy, in a laughter of joy, okay. Fatigué mais heureux, tired but fortunate. Fatigué mais heureux, tired but happy or fortunate, avait rend un franc sourire à son vrai ami, okay. Avi rendered or gave a frank smile à son vrai ami, to his true friend, to his true friend, okay. Vocabulaire: les béquilles, the crutches, okay. Plaindre, témoigner de la compassion, okay. So plaindre means to complain actually. Épuisé, a bu de force, trop fatigué, okay. Épuisé means to be tired, okay. So a bu de force means to be exhausted of all energy, trop fatigué, very tired. Ravi, ravi means enchanté, means to be happy, to be joyed and or thrilled, okay. So joyed or and or thrilled, one of the two meanings, okay. So s'installer is say établir un endroit. So to establish oneself in a place, un endroit is a place. Se mettre à une place déterminée. So to be set up in a determined place or in a fixed place. Les tombes. Les tombes is ne plus un occupé. So les tombes is to allow oneself to fall or to les tombes is to let go, okay, or to let fall. So ne plus occupé is to not, is basically not to be held by something. Tant bien que mal, assez mal means not bad or quite not quite bad, okay. Tant bien que mal. Sorry, not quite bad, okay. Une joie sans fin, an endless joy, okay. Une joie sans fin is a joy, sans fin is endless. So une joie sans fin is endless joy, but here the meaning says une très grande joie, a great joy, okay. Now these questions again I will give it to you in your PDF, not in your PDF, in your I'll give it to you as part of this second part of this today's topic, okay. So I will attach it with the document. So what I'll need you to do today is, after you finish watching this video, please copy these questions and answers that I'll be giving to you, along with some activities for this day, okay. And put them into your notebook, okay. I want you to keep them in your notebook, okay. That's all for today. Have a nice day.